Are you having leaky gut problems? Well, this is your lucky day. Our video will give you 5 food groups that will solve your problems. Watch until the end to learn what leaky gut is and the foods that combat it. The proper medical term for leaky gut is increased intestinal permeability. It is a condition wherein the gaps in the intestinal walls loosen. This might be related to several autoimmune and chronic diseases such as celiac disease. When a person has leaky gut, the gaps become too big, wherein toxins, bacteria, and undigested food pass across the intestinal walls into the bloodstream. This can lead to more serious medical issues or may become fatal due to sepsis or blood poisoning. The following food groups are great options for improving your digestive health. Number 1. Cooked fruits and vegetables. Vegetables and fruits are full of nutrients and high in fiber. These nutrients are proven to fight inflammation. Eating cooked vegetables and steamed fruits are gentler on the digestive tract. They are also easier to digest. Vegetables that are known to improve digestive health include eggplant, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, zucchini, spinach, and Swiss chard. Number 2. Probiotics. Probiotics are live, good bacteria that aid in absorption and digestion. These bacteria, or yeasts, also help to keep the digestive system balanced and healthy. Probiotics are commonly found in dairy yogurt. For those who are reducing their dairy intake, kefir, kimchi, and other fermented products are also good sources of these good bacteria. Fermented food products also produce certain natural oils and acids that help with digestion and elimination of waste products in the digestive tract. Number 3. Bone broth. Broth from bones, such as from pork, chicken, or beef, helps in correcting leaky gut. It also strengthens our intestinal lining. This is due to the amino acids and collagen content from the bones that make the broth. Collagen and amino acids repair and seal the gaps in the intestinal walls caused by leaky gut syndrome. Adding some vegetables to the broth also makes the broth more nutritious. Number 4. Prebiotics. Prebiotics are types of dietary fiber. This is what the probiotics feed on. Prebiotics help the good bacteria in our digestive tract to grow and produce nutrients for the cells in the colon. Probiotics help in achieving a healthier digestive system. Nutrients produced from prebiotics include acetate and butyrate. These nutrients are easily absorbed into the bloodstream, thus improving metabolic health. Prebiotic foods include oats, chicory root, barley, cocoa, flax seeds, and wheat bran. Number 5. Coconut. Coconut contains lauric acid that our body converts to monolaurin. Monolaurin is a defense mechanism of the body that fights off pathogens, especially in the digestive system. Coconuts are helpful in slaying pathogens such as yeast, bacteria, and toxins in the body. Coconut is considered a natural antimicrobial powerhouse. We can use coconut in just about anything. Cooking food with coconut oil or adding a teaspoon of coconut oil to your tea helps heal leaky gut syndrome. You can also use coconut milk for your coffee. Coconut cream will be a good addition to your dishes as it adds flavor and nutrients. In summary, these are 5 of the best food groups that help fight leaky gut syndrome. Combining these foods together is also just great. Just remember to take them in moderation, as sometimes too much is not healthy. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please like it and share it with your friends and family. And if you want more health tips, subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and see you again in our next video.